Hello. Zagar has created a collection of just intonation tuning files relative to each Western equal temperament key. Links to download the collection are in the description. File formats included are .tun, .scl, and .txt. Here are some example usages. To load a tuning file into Serum, open the Global tab and click on the tuning file box. Select the .tun file in your desired key. For Harmor, select a .scl file in your desired key and drag it onto the Harmor window. The pitch keyboard map will be updated. For Kontakt, open up an instrument, click the wrench icon, click the script editor button. In an empty tab, hit the edit button. Open the .txt file of your desired key. Copy its contents and paste them into Kontakt's script editor. Click Apply. Note that not all libraries will support alternate tunings in Kontakt. Make music, have fun.